In looking over my cases where pedestrians have been hit by cars, I see mistakes that they've made unintentionally most of the time. And one of them is they don't get treated. Although there's a saying that there's no such thing as a minor pedestrian automobile accident, sometimes, every so often, someone will get hit and they don't think they're hurt as badly as they are. So they don't get treated. They don't go to the emergency room. They don't go to their primary care doctor until later. Many times injuries don't manifest themselves. You don't feel them for several days, weeks later. Many times in these kinds of cases, pedestrians are prone to receiving traumatic brain injury. And those symptoms, signs and symptoms, don't surface for weeks and weeks sometimes. And if you don't get a full range of treatment early on, that can be missed. Medical evidence is gone. It's just a mistake, unintentional, but it's a mistake. And another is not getting a lawyer involved in the process early on. Experienced lawyer like me, I've been in practice for 38 years. Those are things that I know to ask. And preserving evidence is another reason to get the lawyer involved early. It's a mistake that I see made. Cars typically are not seriously damaged when they hit a pedestrian. And they're repaired, typically repaired pretty quickly. And if a lawyer is not involved early on, that's a piece of evidence which will be gone if no pictures were taken. And there are other things like that. So those are the two major mistakes I see made. If you've been involved in a pedestrian auto accident where you've been hit by a car in Nassau County, Duval County, call me early on and get me involved in the process, and we'll sit down and we'll talk about your case and figure out how best to approach it and move forward with it. Thank you.